Hi everyone, this is Unveiled Reality. I don't think people understand the full extent of one of the most controversial and brutal anti-drug campaigns in recent history, Rodrigo Duterte's war on drugs in the Philippines. When Duterte became president in 2016, he vowed to eliminate drug crime with an iron fist. His strategy? A violent crackdown that has led to thousands of deaths, sweeping arrests, and a nation gripped by fear. Let's start with the origins. Duterte's promise resonated with many Filipinos fed up with rampant drug use and crime, but his methods? Highly contentious. He empowered the police and even civilians to shoot drug suspects on sight. No trials, no questions, just shoot. This approach has led to over 12,000 deaths, according to human rights organizations. The victims? Mostly poor individuals accused of being drug users or pushers, often without solid evidence. Families shattered, communities broken, and a deep sense of injustice permeating society. International response has been fierce. The United Nations, Human Rights Watch, Amnesty International, they've all condemned the killings, labeling them as extrajudicial executions. There have been calls for the International Criminal Court to investigate Duterte for crimes against humanity. But within the Philippines, opinions are divided. Some see Duterte as a hero, a strong man who's cracked down on crime like no one before. Others view him as a tyrant, using fear and violence to maintain control. The impact on Philippine society has been profound and complex. Crime rates, particularly drug-related offenses, have reportedly dropped, but at what cost? The rule of law has been undermined, trust in law enforcement eroded, and the culture of violence normalized. Moreover, the war on drugs has disproportionately affected the country's poorest communities. These areas are often targeted in raids, leading to a cycle of poverty and violence that seems unending. So what's the takeaway here? Duterte's war on drugs has indeed reshaped the Philippines, but it has also raised fundamental questions about justice, human rights, and the true cost of security. Is a safer society worth the price of thousands of lives and widespread fear? This is a debate that continues to rage, not just in the Philippines, but around the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting stories.